Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be testing the LANCI Nocturne eyeshadow palette. So this is the eye look that I created with this, and I'm also going to insert full swatches of the palette. So if this is the kind of video that you like to see, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting 1 or 2 videos every week. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so the palette looks like this, as you've seen. It's got a really pretty packaging, and these letters have kind of a little silver glitter to it. And it says on the back that is cruelty free. And then this packaging is kind of a sleeve thing that is really tight. Okay, there you can see it. So the sleeve comes off, and then the palette itself is exactly like the sleeve thing. So I guess I probably might throw this off. And I bought this one on Amazon for €18.57. And okay, so as you take off the sleeve and open up the palette, you get a plastic protective thing like this. You get a really big mirror. It's actually a very nice mirror. And then the palette looks like this. So it's got 20 eyeshadows and 5 pressed glitters. And it has the shade names printed on the palette, which I think is a very nice thing. Okay, so here is the first round of swatches. From left to right, we got the shades Maple Red, that looks very pigmented. Then Nightingale, Cocoa, Memories, and these 3 look just slightly less pigmented. Then we have Moonlight, Cabernet, Earth, and these 2 look a little bit similar. Then we have Scorched, Tipsy, Wheatfield, Story, which is a shade that I think I don't have anything like it. Then we have Amber, and finally Champagne. And then we have Blue Rose that has a little bit of purple in it. Then we have Mystic Night, Silence, Dark Clouds, that looks really amazing for a matte black shadow. Then we have Forest, Lullaby, and Dew. And then the glitters, we have Nocturne, Diamond Midnight, Burning Clouds, Stars Twinkle, and finally Pink Dream. Okay, so I think overall all of the shades swatched very well. I mean, it's a little bit weird to swatch glitters, but yeah, so I think I will do one eye with this. And I was thinking of using kind of these orangey colors and then these 2 blue shades, but let's see where this goes. Okay, so I just went on and did my brows off camera, and I primed this lid with the Kiko Neutral Light Base. And now I think I want to take this shade Cabernet and I'm gonna pack it on the crease. I'm going to blend the edge, and there doesn't seem to be any fallout even swatching the colors. Okay, and above that I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Maple Red. And then above that, I will take the shade Nightingale. They seem to blend very easily. Okay, now on my outer corner, I'm going to take the shade Silence, that is this brown color. And I'm going to take it just slightly onto the crease on the outer corner. Here in the inner corner, I'm just going to try and pull the color a little bit more in. Like that. And okay, so I think I'm going to leave it like that for now. And I'm going to do a cut crease and I'll be right back. Okay, so this outer edge, I'm gonna soften it with my finger. And now on kind of this outer part of the crease, I'm going to take this shade Lullaby. And now on the inner part of the crease, I'm going to take this shade Dew. So this little part of the crease, I went a little bit too high with the concealer, so I think I'll take a little bit more of Nightingale and try to cover that. Actually, this needs a little bit of Maple Red. And now Nightingale. Okay, so here in this transition in the outer corner, I'm just gonna blend a little bit more with Lullaby and then with Silence. Okay, and to darken up just a little bit more in here, I'm gonna try and use the shade Dark Clouds. Kind of close to my lash line and in this V area, because I really don't feel like doing winged liner today. Okay, and finally I think I'll take a little bit of the Stars Twinkle glitter just with my finger on top of that blue shade. Yeah, I think that is looking really pretty. Okay, so the only thing I think this palette is missing is kind of a shimmery inner corner highlight and for like the brow bone, but for my brow bone I think I'll take the shade Wheat Field, and then for my inner corner a little bit of Moonlight, that is kind of a matte color. That Moonlight shade didn't do much for the inner corner, so I think I'll just take Wheat Field too. And for my mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paradise Aesthetic. So I think that with the mascara that's looking really nice. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera and the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back for the lower lash line and my final thoughts. Okay, so I have finished my face and now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. And for that I'm going to take kind of the similar shades that I used. So I'm going to take on the outer corners the shade Cabernet, and then I'll blend it and do a little bit more on the inner corner with the shade Nightingale. And I will take just a little bit of the shade Silence close to my outer corner. Just to kind of darken up a little bit there. And for my lower waterline, I'm going to take a pencil that is kind of the same shade as that cut crease. And I'm gonna take the Paradise Ecstatic on my lower lashes. Okay, and to finish this look, I'm gonna pair it with a nude lipstick because the eyes are already a bit much. This is the Avon Mark Liquid Lip Lacquer Matte, and it's in the shade Dare to be Bare. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me give you a close-up of the eyes. So this is what the eyes are looking like. I think that all of these shades worked very, very well. Okay, so my final thoughts on the LANCI Nocturne Eyeshadow Palette. I mean, this has really beautiful shades. They all worked very well. They're very pigmented and they blend very easily. The glitters, it also works very well even without glitter glue. I mean, probably with the glitter glue will be more easy to pack the glitter. Also, I didn't notice any fallout from any of these shades. So yeah, and also you get a very big mirror, which I think can come in handy. And yeah, I mean, I guess that for the price, less than 20 euros, and you can probably find it for like 15 or something like that. This is definitely worth the money. Okay, and that is everything for today's video. If you liked it, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about this palette in the comments down below. And it would also help me a lot if you would click the button down below to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. And yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!